What's going on, you guys? So, remember that video I made talking about, trade a $200 micro brand that I picked up and see if I could trade it up to a Hanhart? Well, technically it worked and it didn't work. I do happen to have a package here. However, it didn't work as planned. Here and there. Shit happens, right? Whatever. Anyhow, how about, I've been waiting all day. I got this early this morning and I had to do a bunch of stuff first. And then I figured, okay, let's might as well wait and do this properly. So I came out, found a nice park. It's nice and quiet. Well, except there was somebody chopping trees down. But anyway, unboxing time. Vanna White, your job is safe. Like I said, I've been waiting all day to open this with you guys. So and I'm very excited. Very excited. Goodness, Sam, got a double flap. Hit me with the double flap, man. Oh my God, it's just a box. There, being outsmarted. Here, I'll turn it this way so you guys can see better. And turn it this way so you can see better. Packing peanuts. Madness. I gotta clean this up now. Ooh. Box inside a box inside a box. Just gonna rubbish through the peanuts. Make sure we ain't missing nothing. No, don't eat these. Not nearly as tasty as they look. Alright, you guys, I'm so excited. It's so nice and quiet out here too. It's so peaceful. Ooh. The box. Hanhart. Oh, I'm so excited. Open it. Take a look. Hanhart cloth. Hanhart booklet. And bada bing. Signed card. Because this is not a review. This is mine. Happy 50th birthday to me. Oh, that's nice. That leather's nice. And it's not buttons, they're like little posts. I likes that too. Dun dun dun. Oh, snap-a-doodle. You can see what it is. I should have started a fire because I'm gonna get eaten alive. Oh my. That is absolutely gorgeous. I love that it's on the bracelet too. Love it. I do have, a little diver's extension on there. Not that it is a diving watch, by no means. I am so stoked. Give you guys a nice look, a better look at it. Shall we? Yes, yes indeed, we shall. If I can find the edge, because you know, one thing I did forget, of course, is my glasses. I'm talking so quietly because it's so quiet out here. And there's actually little bunnies all over in this little green space where I am. I don't want to disturb them either. What the hell? I mean, come on now, you gotta be smarter than the plastic. That is so, so pretty. I am in love with it. It's the original 39 millimeter. So it has the solid case back, not the display. But oh, that's so nice and toyed. So nice and toyed. Go away, bug. You bugging me. Well, let's give it some life. Can you hear it? Hand wound magnificence. And she's moving. And if you hear a crinkling, it's because I haven't taken the plastic off the back. Or you might hear some ducks in the lake behind me. I don't know. Don't know what you're hearing. Okay, well, let's set some time here. Tis, let's see, 12 minutes to 9 o'clock. I say 12? Yeah. 12 minutes to 9. Shoot. Too far. You got too far. But, you know what? Of course, I'm not going to set it to that right now. We shall set it to there. All right. Well, that's such a nice click. And as you see, it is the flyback. And there you go, the flyback. Love it. That's absolutely flippin' gorgeous. Now I'm going to put this down for half a moment. And you know, I didn't bring any tools. That's one thing I didn't do. I thought it was gonna come with the leather strap as well. But that's all right. I didn't bring a spring bar tool either. Oh, darn. I mean, that's horologically orgasmic. Come on now. All right, well, dang it. Slightly disappointed I didn't get it with the leather strap as well. But I do actually have a very good quality leather strap at home. So I will have to try it on that, of course, because just heritage wise, come on, gotta have it with a leather strap. But I couldn't pass up the opportunity to pick up one of their bracelets as well, because their bracelets are really, really nice. Female end links and everything. I will, I just wanted to do this unboxing with you guys. Ducks, busy here. Just wanted to do this unboxing with you guys because I was just so excited when this showed up today. I could not wait to share it with y'all. So now I'm going to set it for the proper time. And I will say goodbye, and I'll do a better review of it, like my own review of this in the very near future. So don't sweat it. Like I said, this is mine. This is not a review. This is my watch. So, first of all, thank you so much, Felix. Thank you. Appreciate it, my friend. Thank you to Hanhart. Thank you to everybody there. Thank you to everybody out that's watching this video, because honestly, if it wasn't for you guys, this probably wouldn't be happening either. So, love y'all. Love you, Felix. Love you, Hanhart. Oh my God, I've got a freaking Hanhart.